Today we're going to do a brief demo on how to create and save a report to look at network reporting discrepancies. So in your account, you're going to go up to new question, and anytime you do an ad hoc or custom question, you're not going to go to save questions. Show you how to save questions for later. Go to custom. Now you'll pick your account. In this case, we're going to do on the demo account, and you're always going to use the table reporting for your data. First thing we do is we add a filter for days, and we're going to filter it to just the last 30 days. We're going to do sum of impressions. Now, when we say impressions here, that's going to be network counted impressions, whereas the other sum is the MoPub impressions. I'm going to say by day because we want to see sum of both impressions by day. Run it for the last 30 days, and we're going to get, click the visualization tab, a nice little graph that shows impressions of the network reported by impressions of MoPub. Now, one thing that's a little bit annoying about the Metabase instance is that they default is to sum and sum two, but no worries. What we can do to get around that is just go to a custom expression and name it whatever we want. So we can say impressions and then MoPub impressions. And this is especially helpful if we're going to save this and we want to look at it every day. Impressions, and there we have the correct names or more definitive names. So as you can see, this is all impressions over the last 30 days. We can limit it to a certain network. In this case, let's do just AdMob. But it doesn't make sense for us to show because there's multiple lines here, all networks on the same graph. So what we have instead is we have another dimension which you can use, which is called serving discrepancy. Now, serving discrepancy, actually it probably says what serving discrepancy is right here. It says percentage of network impressions versus MoPub measurement. So network impressions divided by MoPub impressions. Now, if you run this, it's going to show you a percentage, this is a decimal point in percentage, of this one network, AdMob, over 30 days. And if I add all networks here, by networks, and get rid of the AdMob filter, I'll see all networks by day. Helpful graph. I can save this URL, come back to it anytime I want, or I can save it into a report or even a dashboard and see by network and save it, and it will come back to, yes, I can add it to a dashboard. Adding a dashboard is something we won't cover today, but that hopefully gives you some insights on how to create a dashboard for showing network discrepancies.